Hello, everybody. Oops, Crush is up. Well, that's kind of what we're doing today. Probably just Crush will be up in all my streams now. It's just there. It's like a fundamental particle. The Crush ion. No, but you can't see this, but now you can see it. I've got some gamemaker stuff up here. Yeah, we're making a game in gamemaker. We are making a Crush spin-off. I'm not coding in scratch.mit.edu. Why? How long has that been? Oh, I didn't last stream. I forgot I didn't switch. Where is it? There we go. GameMaker Studio. This is not 2. This is the free one. They made a free one, which means I don't have to pirate it, guys. That's pretty poggers. It might be GameMaker Studio 2. I don't know. I have the updated one. I think for the most part, I'm gonna be capturing the actual GameMaker. Okay, also, I know GameMaker is awful, okay? Lots of people are like, don't use GameMaker. Why the hell would you use GameMaker? There's two things I could have done to make this. I looked it up and I couldn't make it on Unreal. I would have learned Unreal. Wasn't gonna learn Unreal because I can't make a 2D game in it. Although I need to learn Unreal. I had a choice between GameMaker Studio and Unity, and I fucking hate Unity, okay? I really dislike Unity. It's awful. I don't think I would ever want to code a game in Unity again, to be honest. We've been there, done that. He's learning GML Pog, it's so good, GML is so good. I'm kind of vibing with it. The hard part is like, obviously I don't know any of the functions yet, but I kind of like the drag and drop stuff. It's a little hard because, like, coming from Unity, you would have a main script that starts, and then you would have that main script just call functions, call other objects. And this is kind of like, in my brain, it's the reverse. Like, you have a bunch of objects that are... It's not that I can't do that, because I know I can do scripts, but I feel like it's better to have it be object-based. I don't know. I'm still trying to, like, wrap my head around the way that you, like, tell objects about stuff. Like, when I was like, oh, I want to make, like, a start sequence for a game, I was like, how do? But I think you probably have, like, a main script, like a main controller, and then it kind of tosses it off to other ones. I was also looking into event management, because what I was trying to do at the very basic thing was, like, click something and have another object, like, show up. In my brain, like, that would be an event, but I don't know if that's... Like, you click one object and have a different object show up. But maybe that's just because I was literally just working in Scratch, and it's the only way to do that in Scratch, so... I might be able to just, like, spawn an instance or something. That would probably be the smartest, but I'm trying to do a text system first because I feel like that's going to be the most annoying part. So the... Go into... Okay, wait, this is kind of based... Umber, if you know GML, if you want to yell at me when I'm doing something wrong, I literally have no idea what I'm doing, so... I would appreciate any and all help. Currently, I am going off of Sean Spalding's tutorials, so I might add that as well. Maybe I'll switch to coding. Code with me? Oh, here we go. Yeah, there's a massive function database. Oh, I read that. I just didn't read it out loud. Do you have a link for that? I would love to see the link. This is code cap. No, this is site capture. I don't want that to be site capture. This one's going back to this. Okay, chat. Do I want my code? Yeah, I think I want my code here. No, this is my... What the heck? There we go. That's my code. And then this is the YouTube video. It looks the same because I literally just copied this guy's code right now. Let me crop this. Manually. Oh, thank you so much. Normally I just Google literally everything. So that's kind of how this stream is gonna go. Like, I just YouTubed how to make text system. Please, Gemma, please tell me. Oh, did you send the wrong one? That's fine. I will look. I think this is good enough for... Let me just check. Yeah, this is pretty big. John Spalding is so based. I already love him. He seems like a really chill guy as well, which I love to see. The first one is right. Got it. Oh, this is awesome. So yeah, I'm just gonna, I wish that...
You provide it and chops it up into 9.
The only thing that I wish, GameMaker Reddit is incredibly helpful. That's awesome. I'm glad that it is. The only thing that I wish was that he provided a link to this specific document, because I just spent like the last 15 minutes writing this out, copying it out by hand. Like, I get that he wants to paywall the whole thing, but like if he could have just provided this code, I wasn't gonna go and watch a 30-minute video.
In pieces, so the 4 corners.
Oh, can you guys not see the subtitles? Let me.
That will make up that box, stretches out whatever's in the middle to cover the box, draws the 4 corners, and also draws the edges stretched out to fit the box as well. So we can draw a box of any size using a single sprite to determine what it looks like. Speaking of that single sprite...
Oh, what do you mean? Oh, I just had to retype out this method that he wrote, because he wrote it in a different video. It was just really long. I'm pretty good at copying code from my years of self-teaching, but it's just a lot of... He also defined all these user input variables with an underscore, which I wouldn't do because I don't like having to type an underscore in front of every variable.
Sprite, we'll need to bring that in, so I'm gonna create a new sprite.
Oh, so also I'm gonna do all the sprites.
Believe it, yeah. S text box.
Let me
S
see.
text box BG underscore script 4 is the one from my assets
Oh,
folder.
I see.
For those of you making your own.
Okay, I'm gonna make one because I'm gonna be making all of the basic assets in GameMaker because it's faster. But then I'm gonna go back and obviously make it better. What was I gonna call it?
I'm not using my assets. This is what it's like.
God. It's gonna be real basic. Damie is live? Whoa. Yeah, we're doing GameMaker. We're making Crush Crush. Sorry. Fake Crush Crush, I guess, is the best way to describe it. This is going to be very smooth. Can I make it that didn't smooth it? What the hell? Where's my radius? Both? Oh, don't do that. Yeah, that's fair. Do I have an edge radius here? Guess I'll have to make my own. Damie would never stream. I only tell people you're already burnt out on work, so I come here for head empty. Oh yeah, 1000%. You can just watch me flail around. I'm okay with that. Here, we'll just make a really... This is our plush text box. It's gonna take me a sec. So yeah, basically all the sprites will suck really bad until I get around to changing them. But I'm doing that on purpose, because if they suck bad enough, then it'll make me want to change them. If I make them okay, then I won't want to change them. You'll work on your mod for once? That's poggers. I love your mod. Am I in GMS 2 or 1? I think I might be in 2. Actually, no. It just says GameMaker. It doesn't even say GameMaker Studio. This is like the freest version possible. But I basically have everything that this GMS2 tutorial has in it in the same way that they have it. Because I know they switched to subscription-based. Cringe.
We've got 4 different types.
We'll see how this looks. I might have to edit this to make it better.
The game. Okay, this one here is called...
Ooh, you can give me my code? Clem also gave me a code. Clem gave a code. I think this should be fine, because it's really not a big project. It's, here, let me show you what it is. It's this game. But it's literally just clicking. And then I'm making it so people can mod it. Which is actually, I really like that I am making it in GameMaker Studio because I feel like it'd be like super easy for people to switch out sprites and stuff if they want to mod it. This is because the devs of this game have not responded to my queries about modding. This sounds like very evil. But you know what? Maybe it's a little evil. No, I just love this game so much that I want to put my characters in it. Sorry, that's a boob image. Yeah, let's see if this works. I don't know if this is gonna work.
Save slots, on the...
I also didn't start this tutorial from the beginning, so... Booba? Yeah, there's Booba in that game. There's not a lot. It's kind of boring, I guess is how it's been described. I might have to start this tutorial from the beginning because I don't have a lot of his scripts, but whenever he comes to a script that he's using for this that I don't have, I just make it, so...
Menu at the start, so we've got like selected and unselected, and these two are just 2 different types of dialogue boxes.
Booba was trending on Twitter the other day and I got so excited because it's your favorite fake word ever. Booba, yeah, that's kind of based.
And like messages from NPCs and stuff like that. So you can see if I edit it and if I just bring up a grid, grid's always hard to see on. Let me just put this to, I think it's 8 by 8. Can be hard to see on the resolution I'm recording this. It might not show up well in the video.
What?
But basically, I'll just draw it in real quickly and then just Control Z it. But we've got like this kind of grid.
Do I need to be doing... I might need to adjust this. Because his script is for... If I open the script up... Oh, what did he call this sprite?
Okay, so like taking...
Never mind, I'm gonna get distracted. This... Whoa, don't put a bunch of spaces in it. This script is for... Like, it's... Oh, it's, yeah, it splits it into cubes. So that might be kind of, you can see up here divided by 3. I might just have to adjust that. GML is really easy to get a grasp on. Oh yeah, no, this is like basically just like Java or C# or JavaScript or any OOP language.
4 corner pieces, 4 edge pieces, and the middle piece. Okay. And we design it in such a way that these like stretch outwards.
It should be fine.
It's quite simple to work with this particular script. If you go watch the other video, I do show how to make a script that uses like more patterned ones as well.
Oh no, not patterned. We don't need patterned. Yeah. This is the game. This is the box we're trying to make. It's just pink. Now making it transparent, I might just have to make the sprite transparent.
Have to basically be the same pixels all the way.
They have layers in this thing. You know that? That's crazy.
Row, and that's about it, because that just gets stretched to the full size of the box. Okay,
that's fine.
In the middle you can't really have anything but a solid color because it just takes the top left pixel and just stretches it out to fill.
Yeah, this is fine.
It
should
you can
stretch.
Do pretty much whatever you want with, because we just.
I just don't know how small. I might need to make the bevels bigger.
Be a bit more fancy and detailed if you want them to be. Okay, and we also need to name the sprite, of course. So I'm
also, are the volume levels good? Can you guys hear me when I talk over him? It's not too crazy.
With that capitalization.
Okay, S text box. Okay, poggers.
Origin can stay in the top left.
This is a 30-minute video, by the way, but it's going to take me like 2 hours to get through.
One other thing to remark about this script,
or we could listen to it on... we could listen to it on Nightcore mode. I wouldn't mind Nightcore mode. We do a little bit of Nightcore mode? We'll do that. We'll do a little bit of Nightcore mode.
I believe I mentioned this last episode, but just a reminder for anyone that might be using a future version of gamemaker, because we've all seen some of the changes that have been announced by EA Games, likely to be coming to like version 2.3 or whatever, 2.4, I don't know. But whenever it comes, there will probably be changes to the way scripts work. It's possible, even very likely, that arguments will no longer be a thing in the same way, and you'll have to name them specifically per function.
No, I think that this one is saying using draw sprites stretched. I think that's a different place. There's a comment that was saying there was a bug.
Scripts will contain functions rather than being functions in their own right, okay? So you might have to end up doing something like, I don't know, function 9 slice.
Oh, that is true. That was there.
Oh. Close curly brace, like something like that, right? Around all this, and then it'll work in the same way, okay? That's just me trying
it did exist. It did exist there before, but I deleted it, so we'll see if it works or not.
To future-proof my videos against all of the crazy and very, very cool changes that will be coming to GameMaker in the future. Anyway, yeah, I'll make this as big as I can fit on the screen. Something like that.
Oh wow, that would have been nice to see if I had waited like 20 seconds instead of having to zoom in really small on my monitor, up the quality all the way.
I've explained how it works. I just don't want to go through in this video each one of these line by line.
It's so long. I know that like draw functions, like I used to do like turtle work. If anybody is damned enough to know what a turtle is for drawing GUIs out, and it was basically just all this, but it sucked so bad. It's the worst ever.
Just calculations to get the coordinates in the right places of the rectangle based on whatever coordinates. Okay, that's literally all there is to it. Okay, so I'm assuming you've done that. I'm going to make this smaller again, bring back my UI, and close this down. Alright, the next thing we want to do if we're going to be drawing text of any kind is a font. We don't want to be...
We're getting a font! Poggers! You get to make a font? What's the Crush Crush font? Let's look, chat. What do you think the Crush Crush font is? Let's pick a better voice line to look at. No. Okay, that's acceptable to be on stream. What is that? Will it show me if I... Oh no, so I gotta copy it. Do you think it's like Calibri? No, it's not Calibri. Do you think it's just Arial? Is that possible that it's just Arial? Crush Crush font. Uh-oh, that's not it. Crush Crush game font. Wasn't even the font used in Crush Crush. No replies from 2017. It kind of looks like Arial. Oh, here we go. Main font, Carla bolded. Look at that. We love people who just go and compare fonts. Okay, we'll have to add that in if it's a custom font. It's not in here, why would it be in here? HoloLens MDL2 assets. We'll use Arial for now. That should be fine. Someone remind me to change it to... I'm gonna bookmark this. I'm just gonna leave it up, actually. I don't even need to do anything else. It's beautiful. That was 3 months ago, chat. I'm gonna upvote this. I'm gonna upvote that as well. I cannot believe someone actually got the font.
Create a new font.
Okay.
I'm gonna call it F text. This is representative of text. The font face I'm going to use for this is M5X7. I'll include a link to this in the description. Probably put up another card thing as well. And if I bring this up to size 36, You can see it's just kind of a simple pixel font made by Daniel Linton.
Oh, his looks like Minecraft.
Loads of cool game maker stuff, loads of really cool game jam games, loads of really cool stuff in general. Go check out his work. And this font is freeware, but he does ask for credit, so I'm giving him the credit. And make sure you do too somewhere in your game if you're going to use this font as well. Okay, I'm not actually going to have it at size 36 because that'd be massive. I'm going to set it to size 12 and return
It'd be massive.
off because it's a pixel font. We don't want to anti-alias it. We want it to be drawing sharp pixels at our
okay, this looks good.
fine pixel resolution. And the next thing I'm going to do is make the text object.
Okay, here's the thing that is a little bit nicer. I might not have to do this resize sprite at all because I think there's only one text, right? So like the text that we would have are, this is a text object that would go up. These are all text objects. Oh, Damien was scrolling through the Crush Reddit and saw your post. Oh, my post is up at the top. It's okay. It's okay. I swear. So these would generate, but these boxes are only going to be one size. So I can make that an asset. That doesn't need to be resizable. And they're only ever be 4. Oh, Pamu. Thank you, Pamu. Am I wizard yet? No, I'm not. I'm continuing to... Did it say that? Did that say a day? No, it's an hour. Oh my god, thank god. So this is only... Because these are only... They only come up in one place, in one size, right? So I might not actually need to do this whole resize thing. Kind of poggers. And they always come up in the same place on the screen, too. Like, no matter where it is. Like, look, if I do this, like, there's just changing the text in there. Chat, I might be able to do... I might be able to make this so janky. There's text here. These don't need to be text. This needs to be a cutout. This is just an overlay, this gray thing. This, again, is just, like, an overlay. Stats, this text would need to change here and there. Achievements, I might not even program in achievements, we'll have to see. That's like late game. There won't be a store. I guess I could make a store. Okay, so I don't think I need to... I'm gonna make the text part though, but I won't make the,
This object is
I won't worry too much about the resize.
You create a dialog box in the game. We're gonna create a instance.
Oh, let me actually make the dialog box then. We make this a different... We're gonna call it... Create... Sprite. Next dialog box. And then... How big? We kind of want it big. I mean, I'm gonna be real. Posting about Crush on Reddit might be something of what we in the industry would call a brand risk. Okay, but see, it's not linked to my damie account. So the only way that someone is gonna find out about this is at 24:47 in the VOD of in the massive playlist of my VODs, if they went looking for it. Turn on the anime girl. Okay, I'll turn. Okay, I kind of want to make a... Don't tell us where to find it. You know it's on the Crush Reddit. There's not that many posts on the Crush Reddit. Oh, you mean don't tell us where to find it in the stream? What was I gonna look up? What was I doing? I completely forgot. Oh, turning on the anime girl. Oh, hydrate? Okay. Here, wait. Change game. Okay, I can play Crush for a bit. See, this is great. Wait, I have to go over here. I had a sippy. I had a little sippy there. To change scenes, just have a little sippy. Oh, there's a question. What's the question? Is the question, why do I still have the change game enabled? That's a pretty good question. I ask myself that a lot. Damn it, I don't have enough time blocks. No, I need to turn off hunting. Oh, I think I'm done with hunting. Who's my favorite? Pino, who's my favorite phone fling? My favorite phone fling? Out of the ones that I have, or the ones that I know about? Why do I still have change game? Because I'm gonna do Untitled again. And I keep forgetting to turn it off. Out of the ones that I have, my favorite is Ruri. Out of all of them, I really like Willow. Actually, I have no idea, though, about the context. Only about design. Pino is my favorite phone fling. We should make Pino. There should be only 2 phone flings. iFunny and Pino. There's only like 2 pictures of Pino that exist online.
Of the O text object. Alright, so I'm gonna make a new object.
I need an object.
O text.
Put Pino in my game? I will put Pino in my game. Baby Bell is cute, yeah. Oh, I was gonna edit this. How big is my... I'm at 1920 by 1080. I would like to change this to... How big is it in Crush Crush? We gotta do a little searching here. Oh god, of course I turn it off. Okay, that's like... It's like 2/5 of the screen. So what's 1920 times 2 divided by 5? Is that what it is? I forgot if it was 1920 or not. That's not what I wanted to do. 786, okay. 768? Dyslexia. And then like 1/3. So, what did I make that? 11. The aspect ratio is weird because it's like on Congregate. I should probably look it up. Pino phone fling, I'll make fan art. I've already done fan art. Please can we have Pino fan art? If anyone ever, if you have a .com and you want to have art of them in this game, if you could draw it so I don't have to draw it, that would be awesome. Did I show the... I haven't shown the Mickey art I've done. Let me do this first. Wait, 1180. What did I say? 1/3? 1/3, right? Yeah. 394. Apply, edit image, zoom out, and we're just gonna make this whole thing pink. Easy as that, chat. I want to do the Crush Crush style so bad. Let me show you. Wait a second. No. Let me look at this window again. Okay, there's like a thing up here. So we're gonna get our eraser and we're gonna get our selection. And we're gonna make this like a lighter pink because this looks like not great. It's not very damie core. That's damie core. I'm gonna put a white box in the middle as well. Don't worry, I'll just rip these sprites from Crush Crush or something later. The close button will be down here, but then we need a... It's so weird, typing. Oh no, I did this wrong. It's so weird using this as a drawing program because it like... all of the buttons are like different. Like all of the shortcuts. Like, Command A is select all. Command D doesn't do anything. You have to click escape to get out of your... Oh wait, let me get rid of Crush Crush. Oh no, I actually need Crush Crush up there. What else is weird? The fill tool is not G, it's F. That's a weird one. What else is weird? Wait, when you switch the girls, do they center the names? Yes, they center the names. That is easy to do then. Perfect. There's like a little heart or something, isn't there? Yeah, there's hearts here. Time for my epic drawing skills, chat. Oh, that's really small. Oh, yay, a heart. Everybody loves it so much. Okay, now we can... now we can make an object. Gotta turn off their dialogue. We can make an object. This is the sprite. Create object S dialogue box. Also, if I'm spelling dialogue wrong, that's the wrong sprite. There we go. And then this is this is Mickey, by the way. Oh wait, he's cut off. No. Why is he? Oh, he's cut off by the... Fuck. How do I... Put that up there. There he is. Look at him. Look at the boy. He's literally so angry. I did this only in gamemaker. I think it looks pretty. It looks kind of Crush Core for not actually like sketching it out or anything. I figured out what it is. It's different line weights. They have like 3 different line weights. Like for the eyebrows, they have like a way lighter line weight, and like for the like see here, like this line down here is like bigger. And like that's what they do. They switch between 3 of them. Like Cassie's hands are like the second width. It's like no pen pressure, just like 3 different ones. It's pretty good though. Quill's eyebrows, like they look like they're on a different layer, just drew on as an afterthought. Anyway, let's put the dialogue box in. I need to make like a full-size sprite for Mickey, or maybe if someone could, that would be awesome. Because I would like to have him in here properly. Where's he? Hi. Hello? I can't be on an other... Okay, I don't get that, but that's fine. Beautiful. And then there'll be text here, there'll be stuff over here. I think that's okay. It's not bad. Not too shabby. Okay, let's see.
And then before we get started on...
So we can just hide it instead of having to draw like a special thing, because it's only ever going to be this one thing.
I'm going to come into our village specifically, not the parent object.
Oh god.
The parent room, sorry. Go to the instances layer.
He has like an actual RPG he's making, by the way.
It won't be how we use O text in the final game. We'll probably use...
Wait, he just put it in there? Damn. Wait, I need to be on it. Why do I have 2? Okay, I'm gonna get rid of this. No, I'm not. I can't put this in here? Oh wait, it's not called the right thing. Let's do that first. Oh. That's the first thing. The second thing is I would like it to be on the instances. Thank you very much. Oh god. No, don't select everything. Oh god. That's not what I wanted to do. I think that's right. Maybe that's close enough. And we're gonna get rid of this layer. There we go. Okay, okay, okay. Everything's on one layer. The instances. Alright.
A script.
Oh yeah, we just put the O text in there, I guess?
Of O text, create instances of O text whenever we want to draw a dialog box. But for now, just in order to test it.
If Tess spelled it wrong. That's really helpful. Where is it? I spelled it wrong so long ago. There we go. Woof. Wait, no, that's test. No, I didn't make an. Oh, oopsies. Go back, go back. That is test. That's a thing I wrote to just say test. I forgot about that. I don't need that up. Whoopsies. Whoopsies. Oopsie, whoopsies. I will make one called O text. That is confusing. And then what did he do? Because I was not paying attention.
Now the next thing I'm going to do is anti-aliasing off because it's a pixel font. We don't want to anti-alias it. We want it to be drawing sharp pixels at our very, very fine pixel resolution. Then the next thing I'm going to do is make the text object. This object is going to be the blueprint for whenever we want to create a dialog box in the game. We're going to create an instance of the OText object. Alright, so I'm going to make a new object, and I'm going to call it OText. And then before we get started on anything, I'm going to come into our village. Our village is basically not the parent object, the parent room.
So he puts it in here.
Just drop in a copy of this, and that's how we're going to test it. That obviously won't be how we use OText in the final game. We'll probably use a script that will create copies of OText.
Oh, okay, never mind.
Instances of OText whenever we want to draw a dialog box. But for now, just in order to test it, because we can only do so much in one episode, I'm just going to put an instance of this into our village, so it'll just spawn a text box right away for us. Alright, so back in that...
Nodders, chat.
The create event, as we usually do to start things off.
Oh, create event. Alright. I actually really like this way of doing this. I feel like in Unity, it can get really cluttered when you're writing stuff, because there's really no way to... I mean, when you split stuff up, it's all based off of what the user wants, so I feel like it usually results in sometimes bad practices for certain things. I mean, at least in my game, it was very janky.
And I'll maximize this and make the font
okay.
Big. And the first thing I want to do is establish the coordinates of the text box. So I'm going to do that with an X1,
okay.
Y1,
We
X2,
technically don't need
Y2,
this, chat.
right?
Well, actually, maybe we do. Is there any time... Okay, the text object is different because we need... We do need, Oh, whoops, I'm gonna pair these up the way he does. We do need to draw text in different places. So I think what we can do is we can have the different boxes and use this, but instead of like drawing a box and then doing it, we'll just draw the text. We'll just show the object, then draw the text.
Simplest way to define the coordinates of a box. Two coordinates.
Argument?
The top left and the bottom right.
We're doing arguments?
The leftmost x coordinate is going to be our resolution width.
Oh.
That macro we created earlier, divided by 2, which is going to put it exactly in the center of the screen.
I don't want to draw it there. Hello? Oh, he's just doing an example.
And y1 is going to be resolution h minus 70, so 70 pixels up from the bottom of the screen. Notice that these coordinates are screen relative and not room relative.
Sure.
That's important for later.
Oh, I forgot my semicolons.
Event, which draws relative to the screen or the game.
I don't like that, but that's fine.
X2, so the far right coordinate, is actually going to be the same as x1 to begin with. Resolution w divided by 2. I'll explain that in a second. The y2, which is our bottommost coordinate, is going to be resolution height. In other words, the bottom of our screen, right? 180. Now, you might be wondering why this isn't like the far left of the screen, like why it isn't 0, and why this isn't resolution width is in the far right. They're both in the middle, so we've essentially created the coordinates of a line on the screen. And what we're going to do is animate the text box to grow out from that position to fill the screen.
Bro, this is so complicated. Bro, I don't need to do this. I just need to show a sprite and then I need to put text on it. It's fine. It's fine.
Box, and to increase the width of that box over time, we're going to have 2 target coordinates. So x1 target.
No. Okay, fine. fine. This is like high effort crush. Oh god, okay. Oh, not minus. This is good. It gets me back into the programming mindset. I've only been typing div for 12 years.
Is going to equal 0. That's where x1 is eventually going
what?
to end up.
Okay. I'll do what he does.
Equal resolution width. And that's where x2 is eventually going to end up. A couple more variables we still need in here. The first one is lerp progress. As I just said, we're going to animate from the thin line to the full wider rectangle. And lerp
we're
progress,
lerping, guys! We're lerping! Oh my god!
Is going to be a number between 0 and 1.
No way!
How far along we are in that animation. Okay, so at 0, we haven't...
Everybody know what lerp and slurp are? Some of my favorite Unity functions? Lerp is also another one. Short for interpolate, I think. And then slurp with an S, S-L-E-R-P, slurp, is when you do it along a different line. Because linear interpolation is the first one, which is kind of like what Live 2D does, which I hate. Sorry, I got close to the camera, but I forgot that my Z angle isn't on. Here, wait, I'll turn on for effect. Where is it? No, that's the wrong thing. No, I'm failing so hard at VTubing. Where are you? Where are you, Z angle? There we go. Which I hate! There we go. That was the effect. I just grow really big. It doesn't even work that well, because, like, I don't know. I mean, I can rock back and forth, but it makes me way too small, and then makes me way too big. It feels like I'm, like, getting up out of my chair. Like, this one isn't even that good either. It just makes me bigger. Come on. Come on, VTube Studio. Give us an angle. I don't know, what would it be called? If we already have X, Y, and Z. I don't know what the other one would be called. Normally it's called Z, but Z is this way. This thing. It should be called like R for rotate. And we can call Z the in and out, like
target coordinates, right? The next
like
variable
leaning.
is a kind of similar thing. Text progress equals 0. Rather than being a percentage, this is actually going to represent the number of characters that we're going to show in our message. So we're going to be increasing this every frame by our
angle W.
Angle.
That's actually kind of based for rotate. Sometimes there is an angle W in lerp methods even. So maybe they should change it to W. And then they make an angle. Or I guess I could just make in and out W. Should I be the first I don't even know if they could track that is the problem. I was gonna say, should I be the first VTuber to make an in and out, a leaning in at you?
Change that if we ever want.
That'd be kind of dope though.
Faster or slower, so like three quarters.
It'd be really easy to do. You just have to make the head bigger and like down a little bit. And then you could like, for out, you could just kind of make the body bigger and the head like up a little. And then you could lean in and it could like go down. Okay. Maybe I'll do that at some point. I don't know. Probably not.
Not that the decimals really matter, that just sort of affects the speed. Only every whole number is actually going to add another character to the message that we're going to draw. But basically this is how we're going to create that letter by letter effect, that typewriter effect, if you will, of slowly building up the message over time. The only other two variables...
Oh no, now you can see when I yawn. My model gives me away.
By the end of the game be determined in
message.
This object. It'll be when we call the script, we'll pass through the message that we
Damn
want
it, I need to be able to pass a message.
Something to display. So I'm going to write default, message, text, and then if we ever see that come up in the game, we'll probably know something's gone wrong because it's not how we'll eventually determine what the message will be. And finally, background equals 0. Again, won't be determined in the create eventually, but for now we need to tell the object which background to use for the text box, and that's which frame of this sprite we're going to use, alright? 0 is just going to be this first one, obviously, so 0, 1,
leans in.
3.
Okay, today I'm teaching a Crush meta.
So back.
Here's the thing is, like, I would actually do that. I have a comms class, a public speaking class that I'm mandated to take, and I was literally trying to think up, like, oh, what could I, like, talk about? What could I talk about? What if I talk about Crush? Everyone would think I'm insane though, so that one got scrapped, but you know, it's the thought that counts. I was thinking of my beautiful cat girl wife, Cassie. Sorry, I had to adjust something.
In O text now, I can go ahead and add the step event. So I'll right click in here, add open event, step, step, and we're going to progress those two variables.
Oh, not a step.
To control the animation and the text character build up over time. Okay. First of all, we'll control the animation. So lerp progress plus equal, and we'll just add to it. Open brackets 1 minus lerp progress divided by 50. Okay, that creates kind of a simple tweening effect whereby we start off adding a 50th to lerp progress, and that figure gets smaller and smaller and smaller as we get closer.
I'm just gonna trust this
1,
guy.
because again, this is going to be between 0 and 1, and then when it finally gets to 1, it kind of cancels itself out by doing 1 minus 1 being 0 divided by 50, right? So it'll never go over 1. So it'll like start off quite quick and then just sort of slow a little bit.
Oh, it's an ease out.
Now it adds gets smaller with every frame. Text progress is going to be a bit simpler. That's just going to be let me spell it right to begin with. That's just going to be itself plus global.text speed.
I just want to see where we're writing the text.
Every single frame. And now we know what those progress variables are, we can actually compute the results.
I want to write the font.
So our x1 is going to equal lerp, open bracket, x1 target, lerp progress. So if you're not familiar with the lerp function, it takes two values and gives you back a value that is a certain percentage between them. That's the easiest way to think of it. It's short for linear interpolation. Weird word to use for that, but I guess it kind of
Poggers. Poggers, lerp poggers.
Value 1 and value 2, and then a percentage as represented by a
nice.
number between 0 and 1, and it gives you back a number that is that percentage.
If I type in a method like...
So if this were 0.5,
does it?
It would give us a
if I hover over, does it autocomplete?
Between x1 and x1 target. So when this starts at 0,
no, it does not.
Return the first value, x1. When it gets to 0.5, it'll be halfway.
Oh, it does. Yeah, val 2 amount. That's not helpful.
If it went over that, if it went all the way to like 2.0, it would be then like double whatever the distance is between these two, like over the edge, right? It's very, very useful function. You can do a lot of cool things with it. But here we're just making a very simple sort of animation. Alright, and then we want to do the same thing with x2. So x2 equals lerp, x2 target, lerp progress. Close bracket, semicolon. Next we're going to check to see if the spacebar has been pressed, and if it is and the message is over, we can get rid of the object.
Uh-oh. We can't do that. We're not going to code that in. You can't get rid of this message, chat.
But for now we're just going to destroy the text object.
I mean, I guess I should probably do that until I put in the button. I'll do it fine.
Close bracket, open braces. And we won't just always destroy the message if we press the spacebar, because we don't know necessarily that the player's read it yet, or that the whole message is on the screen, so we want to at least make sure the message is on the screen before we let the player close it down. So I'm going to...
Oh, he does his brackets weird. He does his brackets like not normal.
Equals string length message, which gets back the length of that message in a number of characters. And then I want to write if text progress greater than or equal to message length.
Oh no, wait, you can't close... Wait a second, this means you can't close it out unless you've read it? But that's not how Crush Crush works. I need to put all the text on screen at once. Otherwise it's going to take way too long. Okay, we'll edit this after. That'll be the hard part. Well, I mean, the easy part is we just delete this bit, but... I don't think there's any time when anyone would skip a message in Crush Crush if they didn't want to skip it, to be honest, because you can just click the button and see it again. So, you only have like 4 messages, and you're clicking like 100 times, and every time you click a new message comes up randomly, you're gonna get those 4 messages a lot.
Destroy. Open bracket, close bracket, else, open bracket, if text progress greater than 2. If we haven't shown the whole message, but we're pressing space anyway, I'm assuming the user is kind of wanting to skip through the message a bit.
Oh, okay,
so
okay.
To accelerate the message by just setting text progress to then equal message length. You don't have to wrap this in an if text progress greater than 2 thing.
Oh, yeah, don't do that.
Whenever, but I like to make sure, like, this is a fairly arbitrary amount, but I like to make sure that they press it in the very first frame or the first couple of frames of the message, that it doesn't do anything, that it doesn't skip the whole message. The user just has to wait a little bit. I think that helps prevent unwanted presses sometimes. It's a kind of a preferential design thing, up to you really.
No, we're skipping. You should actually, it should be in the game that you want to skip all of the messages, because for the min-maxing, the speedrunning community, we don't want to make it too hard for them to have to get past our text here.
Either way though, what you want to do if you want to skip and show the whole message before closing it, you want to write text progress.
Text progress equals message length, I think was what he was saying.
Equals message length. Alright, set text progress would be
Yep.
the full length of the message, so the start showing.
Like it,
And then if you
like
press
it.
space twice in a row, it would like
Beautiful.
show the whole message and then close the message. Alright, gives us that ability to sort of skip through dialogue nice and quick. Alright, so once you close that bracket, that's everything we need for the step event. That's progressing everything. So all the variables are in place. We have
Okay, now how do I draw the text? That's the funny part, I care about this!
And so on. Now we just need to get to the fun
We've
part,
been going
which is
for
the result of that. So I'm going to
an
add
hour and we
the
haven't
draw
drawn the text yet.
GUI event. Okay, very specifically the draw GUI event, not the regular draw event. I guess we can give this a description of draw.
The draw GUI event? Okay. I don't need to...
Or text box, because that's all we're going to do in here. And the first thing I'm going to do is call that script, or that function that we made earlier. So 9 slice box.
Uh-oh.
So open bracket.
We're not going to draw the box, chat.
From the way I declared it, I've got this, here.
This is a choice, but we're not going to draw it.
That's the sprite of the text box, which is X.
I just want to do the text part. Whoop.
And then the 4 coordinates that we had familiar. So X1, Y1, X2, and Y2. The last argument that we need to supply the script is the index. That's just the frame, whichever frame that we want to use on here from 0 to 4. We know what that is from earlier. That's what we declared in the create event as background equals 0.
Oh, that's what the index is for? Oh my god, this guy. Oh no, I didn't need to write all of that stuff. Ah. It's fine, it's fine, I'm fine. I'm fine. I'm fine, there's only one text box in Crush Crush. Actually, there might be... No, an index might actually be... I'll have to think. An index might be better because I might just want to have the names baked into the text. It wouldn't be as modular for people trying to change it, but it wouldn't be the worst either.
Tools up for drawing text, so I'm going to do draw, set, font to be F text.
Okay, here we go. Here we go. Here's the part we care about. I swear to god, if it's gonna be like 2 lines of code to draw something, I'm gonna be so mad.
H-line.
I'm gonna be so mad if it's like 2.
The FA center.
Well, I don't know what FA center is, but
Horizontal alignment, draw, set, V align to FA.
I'm gonna be so mad if it's like just these 3 lines of text. Ugh.
Draw, set, color to be C_black.
This is looking like it's really easy to do. C black. It's looking like it's kind of easy here.
Constant assignments. These 4 things you kind of want to do every time you draw text. All right, it's very good practice to make sure you call these.
Oh no, okay, he's writing more. He's writing more, chat. It's okay.
Try not to just rely
I'm not gonna get too mad yet.
Very easy way to run into problems where you say you set this up in one draw event and then you made another and you just use the text and it's relying on the fact that you set this up in another object. then you create another object that runs its code in between those two objects, and suddenly your last object is drawing text way differently. You don't want to run into problems like that. So just, for best practice, just make sure you call these 4 things before you ever draw any text. Can really help to put these into a script or a function, so you can just call one script. I usually have one called draw set text, and then you just put like f text, fa center, and so on. You put those 4 things in, and it will just call those 4 functions for you, so you can do it in one line. Very good idea, but either way, just make sure you do those 4 things.
I don't really mind.
Draw it in black first of all, is we're going to draw it like a little shadow effect. So we'll draw the text twice, draw it once slightly offset in black, and then once in the correct position.
Okay, what I'm learning about GameMaker Studio. Scripts are functions. They are global, so they can be accessed anywhere. I think. That's what I've learned. I think that's all a script is. Or maybe it can be multiple functions in one script. I still don't really... Still not exactly sure how you could, like, kind of throw... I guess you just instantiate objects and then they just, like, baton pass stuff forever. But that seems a little wrong. Okay, but I think scripts are just like functions, global functions.
In white, so we get a little offset out of it. But before we do that, we need to actually get the message that we want to display.
Yeah, get the message, please.
That's going to contain the message that we want to, the final message that we want to draw, and it's going to equal string underscore copy open bracket message 1 text progress. Okay, so this function takes a string that we give it, so message is our full message. Index is where we want to start copying from.
I don't even need to have text progress. Oh my god.
In this case, not 0. And then
I literally just wanted to write text on screen. This is so complicated, and for what? I'm not even going to use 90% of this.
It's the number of characters that we
Oh, okay, it's okay, chat. It's okay.
So we're going to copy a chunk of message depending how far along text.
Actually, does the Crush Crush intro use a like a scrolling kind of text thing? I feel like it might. Why am I not doing artist? What do I have on here? This is pretty good. This is a pretty good build. I'm gonna do artist though, and then I'll also... I mean, I guess I could do restaurant. That really doesn't matter at all. Just gonna do artist for Bonneville.
String into print, and that's how our text builds up over time. Then finally, we can just draw the text. So draw underscore text.
Oh my god! There was one function for it! Oh my god, I'm going insane! Draw text. Bro! Oh my god. Bro. I'm okay. We're gonna go to Mickey. We're gonna say left down. Open this event. Draw text. I don't know, 0, 0. How do I get from Nemesis dialogue? Nemesis dialogue 1? I don't know if I can do that. 0? Does that work? I'm gonna be so pissed if this just works. Uh-oh. Undefined variables. I want to make this a string. I don't know how to make this a list of strings. Why is that the error that I'm getting? Oh my god, if I get rid of this... No, there's something else that I have an error in. I think it's in... It's in literally all of this code that I don't want to run. I just want to, like, get rid of so much of this stuff. Okay, I can get rid of this. I can get rid of that. I can get rid of this. I don't want to call this. Do I ever call this? I don't call that, so it's fine. That shouldn't be an issue. Macros I can get rid of. How do I make a list of strings? GameMaker Studio. Strings. I want a list of strings. Should I just define them? I can just define it as an array. I know how to define an array. I'm a coder. It's kind of neat that they don't make you We'll just do this. And I'll just copy this. Does this work? I don't know if this is gonna work. If it doesn't error at me, then I honestly didn't even think about the possibility that this could error. Very bad programmer of me, but let's see. No, I gotta get rid of this. I gotta get rid of this options. Get out of there. I might be able to do that. Okay, we fixed that one. Oh. Get rid of this. Malinformed with statement. Oh, malinformed with statement. That's a different thing that I actually might still need to make that. Just this one. Where is it? Pre-create at line 2. Assignment operator expected? If I get rid of that. Do I need to say string array? Array in GML. No, I don't need to, yeah, I just need to do that. That's what I did. Oh, I didn't do that? Error in action number 1 of create event for object undefined. Sprite get width argument 1 incorrect. Of course it's in 9 box stretched. We're gonna abort. It's in this script that I didn't want to write. Okay, no, what we're gonna do is we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this, chat. We're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it into my Discord. No, it won't go in my Discord. It'll go in here. And this will be called 9 box stretched. And then we're gonna delete it. And that's what I do with code that doesn't work, that I don't need. Because I'm a good programmer. Goodbye, goodbye, goodbye. Where are you? Delete. Yes. Try that now. Text speed not set before reading it. We're going to... copy this, and we're gonna do the same thing, chat. Wait, look at this great hack. If you have code that you don't know what's going on with it and you don't need it, you can just delete it, and then it'll be fine. Look at that. Now it doesn't exist anymore. Don't have to worry about it. It's gonna give me more errors, I'm 100% sure. Okay, that was step. Never mind. You know what? Funnily enough, guess what we also don't need, chat? We don't need this either. Oh my god, it's almost like we don't need this entire object. This should be fine. This is literally only creating variables, so I feel like this should... I feel like that should not give problems. Did my music turn off? Okay, I think we should put on the Doom OST. I think that's a good vibe for this. Oh yeah, I have to run this. Okay, please work, please work, please work with the power of Doom. Let's go, chat! No, it didn't work. Nemesis not set before reading it. What? How do you define a variable? How do you define a variable? What am I doing? Get out of there. This Doom music is gonna make me go insane. But it's gonna be great. How do I define a variable? How do I chat define a variable GML? Where do I need to define it? Oh, I didn't say var. Okay. Fuck. Trying to index an object, a variable which is not an array. What? That isn't an array. I made it an array! Do I need to... Hello? Hello? An array. Does it need to be one line? It looks like it's there. Oh, I defined it after. Oh my god, I'm so stupid. Oh. Bear with me, chat. Bear with me, chat. Okay. Dear Lord, that was... Oh, that was... that was a moment. That was a moment that I just had there. Okay, it doesn't do what I want it to do. Does it put it under that? Where is it drawing this? How can I see where it's... The music playing makes it so much funnier. Wait, I need to give it a color. How do I give it a color? He gave it a color. Draw set color. Let's make it white. No, let's make it like red. I need to be able to see where it is. Because it should be in the bottom. Oh, you guys can't see it when I don't know where 0, 0 is. Chat, I don't know where 0, 0 is. Where's 0, 0 in gamemaker? I don't know why I won't draw it.
Open bracket, and then we just have to give coordinates where we want to draw it. We want to draw it, to keep things simple, just in the center of the text box for now. We could look at other things later on for drawing things horizontally, or even drawing things character by character.
Okay, I don't...
fancy effects. That's typically
I don't care.
Do it. You wanting to know how you create a text box.
I don't care.
For now. In the position we're going to draw this text fairly simple. We're going to draw the text again, but in white. So draw Y1.
Oh, he's doing a drop shadow effect?
The resolution is...
Okay, his works, bro. I get that I didn't draw text. Do I need to set a font? Oh wait, maybe I do need to keep the... Here, wait, we'll go back. This is why you keep it in a folder. We'll go back, we'll grab just this stuff. And then I don't have to remember all this stuff. This is great. Maybe I like didn't set a font and it like didn't know the font and that's I set it to red after. Fuck! Where is it? I don't know if it's like under here. Let me get rid of all of the other objects. Here we go. Turn you off. Turn you off. Just do that. Okay, that was stupid. I need to have him on. Oh, you guys can't see this. Okay, it doesn't work is what's happening. Oh, why is this not working? Draw text, gamemaker studio. It shouldn't be that hard. Manual. The x coordinate and the y coordinate. Is it like... Not... Okay, maybe it's not getting... Maybe it's not getting the thing. Maybe it's not getting... Maybe it's not getting this. What if we just type poopy? That's how I spell poopy. No, it's not typing it. Where is it? I wish I could log it. Okay, well, so it's maybe not the Nemesis dialogue. I'm so confused. I don't see any reason why this shouldn't work. He's in here. It's on left down. When you click on him, it should draw it. He moves. Okay, you guys can't see. I made it so that he moves. Wait, can you see it actually? If I play it? No, you can't. He moves across the page when you click on him. He just like leaves. How How do I do this? It's just, I love how it's just not working. Why are all these videos 18 minutes long on how to just draw text? I don't... Why does theirs work and mine doesn't work? Okay, maybe I do it on the start. Maybe it's doing the other thing and then closing out of the loop or something. Maybe we'll do it first and then that. Maybe I need to do it when there's a key pressed. Okay, that's not working. Did I make it? Okay, maybe I don't want to set it black. Maybe I should just set it red and just make sure that it's not. Maybe I should also not put it at 0, 0. Where is the 0, 0? Where is 0, 0 gamemaker studio? It's the bottom left corner? The upper left corner. Wait, I need to put it in like a GUI. Don't I need to put it in a GUI? Is that how it works? This is so old. This is from 2014.
Somebody left a comment about that.
Somebody left a comment about lumens. What the heck? Okay, it needs to be on like a draw event, I think. What the heck is happening? Yeah, draw GUI. Okay, this is why it's not working, chat. How do I make it call the draw GUI after that though? Draw GUI. Wait, I can just put this in here instead. Wait, I need to put this. I need to copy, oh my god, I need to copy this whole thing. No, get out of here. This, and then I need to put all of this. No, I need to leave that, I need to leave that. I need to just take this and put it in here. If this works, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh god, he's just moving forever. Why is he moving? Wait, it worked! It worked, chat! 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 I need to see if it's down, though. I need to see if it's clicked. How do I see if it's clicked and if I do this? Chat, it worked. It worked, chat. I need to get rid of this. I need to see if the mouse is down. If this and. Okay, wrap this. I'm getting so excited. And keyboard press. No, what is it called? No, it's like mouse pressed. I don't know. Mouse pressed. Keyboard pressed. It's not showing up. How to do check mouse pressed button. GML. Took me a second. If mouse check button pressed. Oh my god, that's an awful function name. And mouse check button pressed. Mouse button left. Close this. Then we draw this. Oh, it's working. It's working. It just immediately deletes it though. How do I like keep it up? How do I keep it up? What? Create an instance? Could I create an instance? Could I just make every text an instance and then just create an instance of it, then delete it after? That would be so stupid. It works. It just doesn't really... I need to get rid of him sliding across the page, for one. So we'll get rid of that. Get rid of this. If you hold it... Wait, it doesn't work. It's only if you, like, click it? Oh god, that's not good. If mouse check button pressed... Is there a different one? Mouse check button held? Button down? Oh, down, 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 down. Mouse check button. Okay, I bet mouse check button will do it. Because then if it's pressed or if it's held, buttoned. Come on, here we go. Yes, yes, okay. Okay, that's good, that's good. So we want to check if it's button. Then I think we need to make a new... I want to like turn a text variable on. How do I make an instance of this? I want to also get a random number. Random number. GML. Oh, random range. Perfect. Oops, random range. From 0 to... how long is our list? 2? Oh, this might flip through it really quickly. Oops. Oops, that. Yeah, okay, that flips through it. I need to make it, and then I need to get rid of it. But that works. I need to place it. Okay, let's place it first. I like how I put on the Doom soundtrack, I instantly get better at programming. I don't really know why that works. Oh my god, it's not Animal Crossing. I should change that. There we go. That's better. Okay, we need to get the top of this thing. Where is this? Roughly. 986-791. 986-791. 986-791. 986-791. See if that loads in the right place? Probably not, but you know what? No, it doesn't. Okay, wait, that's centered. I don't want to center it. How do I change that? Draw text. Draw text GameMaker Studio. Draw set H align. Oh, we'll put it on the left. That's what we need. I need to make it bigger. Okay, it's working, it's working. How do I set the font size? Oh wait, I just changed it in the font. Chat, it's working. I need to make this like 24. My eyes are so old. It's so... It doesn't like change, so I'm gonna have to manually change it. I'm glad I'm not sharing this with you right now, what it looks like, because oh my god, it's kind of seizure-y. But it is drawing text. I think I need to make it a little bit bigger. I think I need to make it like 28. How do I feel about that? Oh, that doesn't change it. I gotta restart it. Yeah, that's good. 28 is good. I like 28. I need to figure out how to make it so that when the text is drawn, I want it to stay up. How to have text... No, I guess I just need to like set when... Okay, we need to have a new variable. Var text on dialogue. Oh, dialogue on. I guess I should say dialogue on equals true, false at the beginning. Then this will say, copy this. Dialogue on equals exclamation point to dialogue on. Look at that. That's a pretty epic trick, chat. And then we'll say, I guess, if dialogue on. This is not gonna work any other time, but draw that. Will it draw it and stay there? No, damn it, it didn't. It still does, it still clicks. I want to check if it's oh no, maybe now I want to check if it's pressed. Oh yeah, no, now I want to check if it's pressed. Because I just want it to click once. If I click on him, it shows, but it only shows like how to keep text, here, we'll pull over here. How to keep text object from disappearing, game maker. No, don't make it disappear. Why is it disappearing? Why is it disappearing? I'm so confused. Is it because is it because it's like it only shows up for like a second and then it goes away? Maybe it's not mouse check button pressed? I don't know. Check button released? Check button? Oh, device mouse check. No. I guess I just want it to be if it's pressed. But then why is it going away so quickly? Here, I'll, what if I just say, like... What if I made a function and put this in it? Oh, wait a second, let me think. So you can only draw text within a draw GUI. Can I call a function within draw GUI? How do I, like, trigger to draw GUI? Call... Oh my goodness gracious. Call draw GUI in... like in other menu. It's really new to that. Like, I mean, really good at getting out of hang on with things out of service. The only possible draw in the layer GUI in the, you do need to in fact use a draw, calling a script on a draw. I don't know why it's not. Don't know why it's not doing this chat. I just want it when I click it. Like you can see, like it doesn't draw it here. Like this doesn't draw. When I click it, I want it to like draw the, I want to call this. Call an event. GMX. Event perform? Wait, is that all I needed to do? Wait. Oh. Event perform? What if I just say like event perform type number? What's number? Oh, I got it. So it would have to be like draw GUI. Yeah, EV draw. EV draw. EV GUI. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm going to get rid of this, and first off, see if that like messes it up. Because I really want like a creation. And then I'm going to say, I'm gonna copy all of this. Actually, I'm gonna put that back. I'm gonna copy all of this because I know this actually works to an extent. I'm gonna put it in a let's just draw GUI save. I know I can just save it, but it's easier for me to just paste the whole thing in. I'm just gonna have it draw this. I'm only gonna have draw GUI do that, and we're gonna see if it works. Nemesis dialog not set before reading it on the draw GUI function. That's not great. I don't want it to be called on the start. I mean, I can set it here, but that's not really what it's not doing that. Is draw GUI called when an object is created? Okay, but does it draw GUI? Does it like call when the object is created? Let me just make a create instance. Oh god. If this music is too much, just let me know. Let me put that in there. We'll see if that works. I don't want it to draw it without... Where is this? Is it really? It draws it it is grabbing it from here somehow before the create event. How do I only have draw GUI not run on an object until it's called with event call? Draw GUI does nothing. That's not helpful. Fine, I'll accept cookies. I don't care. Wow, look at this event order. I love that this is the one image that I need. Oh, can you show me this image, please, Google? Please, can you show me that image? Oh my god. So it's never a good idea to... Alarms. Draw GUI. I just want it to... I want it to only happen when I call it, is the only thing. Oh, maybe it's because it's... No, it's not there. It's not that. Asynchronous. No. Other... Alarms. I don't know what alarms are. I don't want that. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to do some more Googling to get this to work, to be honest. So I think I'm gonna wrap up here for today. We did something. We did put a picture on screen, and we did draw some text. And I did mold over it, so, you know. It's basically everything we wanted to do was accomplished. I don't know how to call things yet. I probably just need to make a script, to be honest. And have it in there and then have it be called, but I don't know how to do the whole event. I don't even know what order they're called in, so I'm gonna have to look into that. Thank you, everybody, so much for hanging out. I will probably be gaming or something next time. I don't know. Something kind of not coding intense, or... Because I don't have work. That's why I haven't been doing math. But my classes start mid-September, so I'll have stuff to do then. Physics and math. And hey, if you like series, I have a whole class on series that I'm taking, so... I'm not happy about that, but... Let's get Bonnabelle to 100%. There we go. Good night, everybody. Have a good day.